Here's how you can merge clips in CapCut Mobile. First, open CapCut and tap New Project. Select the first video you want to use, then tap Add in the bottom right corner. Once the video is added to the timeline, you can remove any unwanted ending or outro by selecting the clip and tapping Delete. To add another video, tap the plus button at the end of the timeline. Select the next clip from your device, then tap Add. The second clip will be placed directly after the first one. If you want to make the transition between the clips smoother, tap the small white transition icon between the two clips. You'll see the available transition effects. Select the one you want and adjust its duration if necessary. You can preview the result by pressing the play button. If the clips aren't positioned correctly, press and hold a clip on the timeline and drag it to the desired position. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export button in the top right corner to save your merged video to your device. That's all for this video. Thanks.